How to delete TikTok drafts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can delete your draft videos on TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store. In the search box, typing in TikTok and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the TikTok application, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. So if you want to delete your drafts, what you have to do is first just come to your profile page from the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon and come to your profile page, right at the top of all your posts, you'll find a section called drafts. So if you want to delete your draft videos, well, you just need to tap on it. Select the videos that you want to delete by tapping on the select button on the top right corner and tap on that particular video you want to delete. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see this little delete button. So just tap on it in order to go ahead and then delete that particular video. As you can tap on it just like that. And this is simply how you can delete drafts on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.